I wanted to give you an update about my lunar haircut journey. I cut my hair on the fall equinox in late September, and that was a root work time. I plan to cut my hair again in October toward the end of the month, and that is at the full moon, and that is also a root work time. I understand that you're really supposed to start with your roots when you are working to improve your hair texture and quality and overall health. Next thing I wanted to mention is that I have tried the shampoo bar and conditioner bar, and I really enjoy those. I enjoy using them kind of in between using all the other shampoos and conditioners. I have been using the conditioner bar just as a leave-in conditioner, so while my hair is still damp in the shower, I've been just rubbing a little bit of the conditioner from the bar on my hands and just squishing it into my hair and then combing through it. That seems to cut down on the frizz quite a lot, which is nice. Another thing that I just tried very recently is I tried egg white as a curl enhancer in my hair, and actually I really liked it. I think that it controlled the frizz and it defined the curls. I wet down my hair with my spray bottle and I put Blood of the Dragon styling gel and kind of squished that in and then combed it out and let it dry while I put on my makeup. And I like the way it came out today. Another thing I did was I actually cut my hair quite a lot. I probably cut about 3 inches off my hair all the way around, and I sort of did it myself. I have never done that before, but I just decided that I would try it. I think it looks pretty good, actually. I'll go sometime and get the cosmetologist to straighten it up, but I just wanted to try because I thought my ends were getting a little thin, and I was watching one of the videos with Mr. Morrocco. I believe he was cutting some damaged hair on a client, and he cut it off significantly, and it just made me think, yeah, I probably need to really cut my hair because my ends have been thin, and that's just going to make it look scraggly. And I'm really pleased with the progress that I've made. I guess I've been this is probably my 4th or 5th month working with Morrocco Method, and they have been so nice to send me things to try, and they've worked with me to see if they could help me style my hair better. And so I really appreciate that. One thing I have been doing a little more consistently, and I think I'm going to keep doing that because it's getting some results of less dryness and frizziness, is that I've been putting Euro oil in my hair at night. My goal for this month is to continue practicing styling my hair now that I've got it maybe a better length. But I am really pleased, and I'm really, I feel like I'm making a lot more peace with my hair as every month goes by. So I'm really looking forward to learning more about how my hair will grow, and I'm really anxious to find out how the growth is and the quality of my hair improves over the year of cutting it by the lunar calendar. Thank you.